Okay, guys, here is a possible final rendering layout of the cabinets, starting with the laundry room above the washer and dryer. No new changes here. Across from the washer and dryer, the depth of 15, depth of 16 for these, depth of 12 for the uppers, 6 inches off the wall. Stain grade deck, stain grade floating shelf, and this is open. Guest bathroom, the decorative toe kick. These are 9 inches off the floor, floating. Flush inset, slab, alder, vertical grain. Master vanity, slab alder, vertical grain. These two rooms are a stain color we still have to chase down, but the select dollar is what we landed on. So the bottom of this is 30 1/4 off the ground. Your sink, and then drawer stacks left and right. And the kitchen, our hood, where this section here is wood. The sloped front and sides are left raw. The bottom of the hood would be wood as well to match the front of our discussion. These floating shelves, this one is 59 off the ground. This one's 80, possibly to bring this down to the bottom of this, bring it down to 72, and have it tie into the side to look like it wraps around. Spice pullouts left and right of the range, your Lazy Susan in the corner. The hood is flush to the ceiling. Sink wall, apron sink, trash, need the model number for the sink, tray divider, our uppers here. This is the angled wall with a couple floating shelves. Upper cabinet, fridge cabinet. This section is wood. And if we do the 5-inch rail, if we're still good with this look for these cabinets, 5-inch rail, this big panel, and I think it was 36 inches. The bottom of that rail was 36 off the ground. Flush toe kick. When we open this cabinet, there's a fixed shelf for the coffee station, the microwave below it, and then we would have rollouts from about shoulder height down here. This one's going to be split for broom storage on the right and adjustable shelving on the left. So when you open this one, there's a fixed partition here in the middle. And for the island, 45 inches between the posts. These two cabinets facing the sink, which are 27.5 wide and 23 7/8 deep. These cabinets I'll have to adjust that a little bit. So the side of this is the same width as the face. And then these cabinets drop back for adequate knee space. Then from the inside of that post across is 55. So comfortably 2 people here, 2 here, 2 here. Total of 6 bar stools or 6 people around it. A panel here. I'll have to see what you want to do. If you want to do a decorative panel here or just keep it shaker. But my understanding, the island is stain grade. The pantry cabinets here are wood. wood face, wood floating shelves, and then these two are wood floating shelves. And as far as the countertop, this is the decking that would be on top of the cabinets, which is 108, and then the length across is 55. So you're going to need about 3 inches more on the 55 and the 108 for your overhang. Okay, let me know. Thanks, guys.